Want to fix high ping in Roblox but not sure how? I'm here to help. To do this, navigate to your search bar on your desktop, type cmd, click on command prompt, and then input ping.roblox.com and hit enter. This will reveal your current ping to Roblox. For instance, in my case, I typically experience an average ping while playing on Roblox. Now let's delve into the solutions. Initially, it's really crucial to disable any VPN connections you might have active while gaming, as playing with a VPN can lead to increased latency and lag. Simply press the Windows key along with I to access settings, proceed to Network and Internet, select the VPN option, and disable all active switches. Moving on to another method, the subsequent step involves running the Internet Troubleshooter. Navigate back to the settings, click on Update and Security, select Troubleshoot, and proceed to run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter to identify and resolve any potential issues. If no problems are detected, proceed to the next method. Method 3 entails clearing the DNS cache and resetting the WinSock. Search for the command prompt in the search bar, run it as an administrator, input the following command, followed by another command displayed in the screen, and restart your PC once the commands have been executed. Method 4 suggests trying to change your DNS settings, which has proven effective for many players. By pressing the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, input ncpa.cpl, access the properties of your network adapter, configure the DNS server addresses to 8888 as the preferred server and 8844 as the alternate server, that is Google's public DNS. Then save the changes. Method 5 emphasizes ensuring that no other applications are consuming excessive bandwidth on your network, potentially affecting your gaming experience. Utilize a resource monitor by searching for resource monitor in the Windows search bar. Navigate to the Network tab and identify any processes utilizing the network resources unnecessarily. If you encounter any such processes, simply right-click and select End Process to free up the bandwidth. I trust that these solutions prove beneficial to you. If they have helped, remember to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. If you encounter any further issues or have any inquiries, feel free to reach out in the comment section and I'll do my best to assist you. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.